Good morning children. Today in this tutorial we are going to discuss about the first aid. What is first aid? It is the immediate help that we can give to an injured person. So let us start with first aid. Children, as we know, accidents can happen anywhere and anytime. It may occur in the playground, in the school, in classroom or at home. As you may get cut with a knife. You may fall down and got hurt. Although we know safety rules to avoid them. But still they can happen. And if an accident happens, anyone may get hurt. And to avoid that injury to become serious, we need to provide immediate treatment. And that immediate treatment, we call it as first aid. So what is first aid? It is the first help or the immediate help that an injured person gets after an accident, before the doctor arrives. So this is called as first aid. Children, what will you do if you or any of your friend gets injured? Firstly, do not panic or shout. You should inform the adult so that they can give you the immediate treatment. What will you do or to whom you have to inform when you are in school? When you are in school, you should inform the teachers. The teachers are there to help us. At home, our parents take care of us, so you should inform them. First aid box. This is a box that contains all the necessary items which are required to give the first aid. So, what is first aid box? It is a collection of all those items that can be given an emergency help to an injured person. Okay. Now, what are the things that we should keep in this box? Yes, we can place a thermometer, bandages, gloves, antiseptic lotion like Dettol or Savlon, scissors, some common medicines like medicine of fever, crocin, etc. Medicine you can take in case of cough or cough syrups should be there. Pain relieving spray should be there. These are the few general things which we keep it in first aid box. What will you do if a wound or cut is there? Like if you are playing in a playground, you may fall and get hurt. Or you are doing something with a knife or a scissor while making your school project. You will get a cut. What will you do? Do not panic. If the cut is small, you should wash it with water and then clean it with any antiseptic lotion that is available at your home. And if still bleeding is there or the cut is there deep, then you can tie a bandage over that. Be careful, children. If the cut is really deep or it is caused by some rusted object like iron rod or iron blade, then it is necessary to take the injection of tetanus to avoid any kind of infection, or you may consult the doctor. What will you do if you will get burns. In that case, immediately put the burnt area under the cold water or keep on applying ice on that area till the burning sensation goes. That will reduce pain and swelling. And after that, you can apply antiseptic cream on that area. Or still, if you feel, you can tie it with a loose non-sticky bandage. Be careful. The bandage should be non-sticky. If it gets stuck with that area, then you will feel pain. And change it regularly to avoid any kind of infection. If the burns are major, then you need to consult a doctor. Now time for the activity. What is the activity? Activity is to make a first aid box. Let us learn how to make a first aid box. Firstly, take any box. Here I have taken a shoe box. You may take any plastic box or any metal box, box of chocolates or even a shoe box. Then you have to cover this box with the white paper from inside and outside as I have done. You can use white paper, white chart or even white paint. Afterwards, you have to make a sign of plus with a red tape or a red paint. You can also decorate it by making the borders as I have done. So your first aid box is ready, and it is complete only after when you keep all the medical supplies in it. And when you keep these supplies in this box, this is ready to use. We should keep this box in our classroom as well as at our home. Why? Do you know why we should need this box? We should always keep this box ready so that we can provide immediate help in case of emergency. We should keep this first aid box ready to provide immediate medical help whenever we get hurt. Okay. Now children, time to complete this activity on practical files. What you have to write on the practical file? Yes, on the right side or on the lining page, you have to write. What have to write? Firstly, the name of the activity. What is the name of the activity? To make a first aid box. What are the materials needed to make this first aid box? Yes, we use box, white paper, scissor, glue, tape or paint, Dettol, medicines, bandages, etc. Whatever the things you use to make this first aid box, you will write over here. Afterwards, you also have to write the method. What should you write in the method? Whatever you have done, you have to write in the method. That is, taking a box, cover it with white paper and make a sign of plus. And our box is ready. Keep all these medical supplies in the box. This is the method. And what you have to do on the left blank page? You simply have to draw the first aid box, or you can paste the printout or the picture of your first aid box. I hope you understand. And now complete your work.